Yo, you rocking a pool party, you have to rock a cocktail that's gonna be refreshing and fun. And this is the Tanline. Now, it's so named because a Tanline lets you know you're experiencing summer. You're out mowing the lawn, working in the fields, working on your garden. You come back, you see a Tanline, you're getting something done. Also, if you're helping somebody get undressed, once you see the Tanline, you know you're headed in the right direction. The right direction for this drink is cool and refreshing. And the basis of it is coconut and cucumbers. But you're gonna have some people at your party, they don't wanna drink, and that's cool. Maybe they driving, maybe they doing something else. What we wanna do to be inclusive is take just a carafe of water and take about a half or a whole cucumber, no more than that, and you're gonna soak it overnight, and you're gonna have this awesome, refreshing, and extra hydrating water with a little bit of flavor. And if you need to toss some booze in there later on, that's all on you. Ain't nobody gonna judge here. Shake it every couple hours, good to go. On to the cocktail. This is one of our favorite drinks for the summertime, the Tanline, and it's usually made in a Collins glass. However, when you're having a pool party, always use plastic, cans, no bottles. You don't want people's little feeties stepping on glass. In the Collins glass, we've got it iced up. Set that aside. We're gonna take a trusty shaker. In your shaker, we are going to put in 1.5 ounces of a clean distilled vodka. Now, we're gonna take 4 basil leaves that we've torn in half and put that into our shaker. Take a muddler and grind, baby, like we're grinding to make this show. We're just gonna grind it up and really let it kind of sit in there for a second and let the basil flavor seep up into that vodka. Then, we're gonna take 3 good cucumber slices. And you don't need more than that. Cucumber flavor goes a long way because it's almost basically all water, like me. Well, maybe I'm more beer than water. But we're gonna put that in, and we're gonna muddle the heck out of that too. So it's all broken up, get the seeds out of it, and just crush it. Now comes the hardest part of making this drink. You gotta give it a minute or two and let them kind of party together. You know, like they're swimming in the pool, like, yo, what's up, girl? Like, what's up, dude? Start talking, mingling. So we're gonna give them some private time for a second. We're gonna add in some lemon juice. The acidity really brings out the sweetness of the next thing we're gonna add, and the basil itself. So a splash of lemon juice, but remember, when you're making cocktails, always use fresh limes or fresh lemons. Attach your shaker up. Take your glass. Look at all the color that's changed on this. That's all that basil and beautiful cucumber. Then we're gonna top it with about 5 ounces of unsweetened coconut water. Swirl it around. Garnish it. Cucumber wedge. And you know what? Let's go take a look at some Tanlines. It's a great drink. Yo, Matt from Spatchcock Funk here. Appreciate you checking us out, y'all. Welcome to Spatchcock Nation. We about bringing people together, y'all. Concerts, parties. It doesn't matter as long as you're the people with us. Our friends, our crew, and now you. Spatchcock Funk. Dope food, strong drinks, great stories.